A privacy policy tells users what you are doing with their data. Anything you gather from them, like an email address, first name, location, or whatever, that has to be disclosed to your website visitor, you have to tell them what you plan to do with that information. So in this lecture, I'm gonna show you how exactly we can create the privacy policy and terms and conditions page content, and we can put it into the footer. Let's get started. Open a URL saddamkasim.com/privacy-template, and this will redirect you to this web page from where you can create your own privacy policy and terms and conditions content. Let's create the privacy policy content. Simply click on Generate Privacy Policy button, and now here we can find few options. You need to select the first one, business website, and then make sure that this checkbox is selected. Now let's click on continue. Here we need to fill up some business details. The first box, company or your website name. So whatever is your website name, like in my case it is Coupon Tape, so we can enter over here. And in this box you need to enter the complete website URL including HTTP or HTTPS protocol. Then you can fill up all your personal details like email address, phone number, your street address. All these address fields are optional. So whatever the details you have, try to provide as much as possible. Now let's click on continue. Make sure all these checkboxes are selected including the affiliate disclosure. You can leave the last one, which is protection of collected information recommended for membership sites. Of course, our website is not a membership site. So just skip that last checkbox and then continue. Once it's done, fill up this CAPTCHA over here. Now click on Get Template. So our privacy policy content is ready. Here we have two types of content, raw HTML and plain text. You can select the plain text radio button from the top and then copy this entire text content from here. Just click on it. We have copied the privacy policy content. Let's add a new page, and then we can click on WP Bakery Page Builder at the very top. In the title box, you can provide the privacy policy page name, and now this time we don't need to use the backend editor, but in this classic editor you can paste that complete text. If you would like to make any heading bold, just select it from here, and from the top bar we can see bold. Just click on it. So in this way you can format the headings. Let's scroll down and we can do some page settings like content layout full width. We can also hide the title and breadcrumbs. So let's hide the breadcrumb. Okay, now it's time to publish this page. So we have successfully written the privacy policy content onto the privacy policy page. Let's check onto the front end how it looks like. So this is how the privacy policy page looks onto the front page. I am just using one of my different websites to display how exactly we can create the privacy policy onto the OceanWP theme, but the same process you need to repeat in your own website. Now let me show you how exactly we can add this privacy policy link in the very bottom of your OceanWP theme footer over here, just next to this All Right Reserved tab. So go back to your WordPress dashboard. Now here, under the appearance, we can see customize. Just click on it. So this is the customize area. We need to scroll down and here we can see footer bottom. Just click on it. Now this is the copyright box. Whatever we will write in this box, that will appear at the very bottom over here in this area. The current we have copyright 2019 all rights reserved. So the same appears over here. Now let's add a space, then vertical line, then a space, and we need to use a basic HTML one line code that will display the privacy policy link in this area. So you need to just type a tag, then a space, href equals to double quotes, close the bracket, and we can type privacy policy and then close the tag. This is basically a one line of HTML code just to put any link in a custom area of your website. Now in the double quotes, we need to provide the privacy policy page link. So here we can go on to the privacy policy and the top is the privacy policy link. Just copy it from here, come back to the customize, and in this box we can paste it. So this is the complete syntax that you need to follow in order to display a custom link into the footer. So at the very bottom you can see privacy policy is also appearing. Now let's click on publish. So this will be saved permanently. and we can come back to our front page. Let's refresh it once again. Okay, now let's scroll down and here is the privacy policy. So the same thing you need to repeat for terms and conditions page. Simply go to the website saddamkasim.com/privacy-template and then you can generate the content for terms and conditions and repeat exactly the same process. Thank you very much.